Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into the golden age of American automotive innovation, the early 1970s, to take a look at one of the boldest and most underrated cars of its time, the 1971 Oldsmobile Toronado. This car wasn't just stylish, it was a technological pioneer that helped shape the future of front-wheel drive luxury in America. Let's dive in. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 1971 Oldsmobile Toronado was all about power, prestige, and presence. The car featured a completely new body design that was longer, wider, and more sculpted than ever before. With its sleek hidden headlights, massive chrome bumpers, and an elongated front end, the Toronado looked every bit the part of a true American Grand Tourer. The signature fastback roofline flowed seamlessly into the rear deck, giving it an aerodynamic, muscular stance that stood out in the crowd. From the side, you couldn't miss those pronounced fender lines and the stylish wheel covers that gave the car a commanding look. It was elegant yet aggressive, a perfect balance of 1970s design confidence. Interior. Moving to the interior, this is where Oldsmobile really pushed boundaries. The cabin of the 71 Toronado was pure luxury for its time. Plush seating, rich materials, and advanced features surrounded the driver and passengers. Everything inside felt futuristic, from the wraparound dashboard to the aircraft-inspired controls. The front seats were wide and deeply cushioned, built for comfort during long highway cruises. Even the steering wheel had a distinctive Oldsmobile design flair, with a padded hub and elegant chrome accents. The Toronado also featured plenty of convenience features, power windows, air conditioning, an optional 8-track stereo system, and even power-adjustable seats, giving it a level of sophistication few cars could match in 1971. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance, the heart of the Toronado. Under the hood, it packed a massive 455 cubic inch V8 engine that delivered an impressive 350 horsepower and over 500 pound-feet of torque. Despite being a front-wheel drive car, it handled that immense power remarkably well thanks to Oldsmobile's innovative engineering. The front-wheel drive layout gave the Toronado better traction in poor conditions and improved ride stability. The car's acceleration was smooth and effortless, making highway cruising a breeze. The suspension setup prioritized comfort but still offered solid control, giving drivers the confidence to enjoy both city drives and open-road adventures. For a car weighing nearly 5,000 pounds, the Toronado moved with surprising grace. On the road, the car's quiet cabin and smooth power delivery made it feel more like a luxury cruiser than a muscle car, yet it had all the muscle you could want when you pressed the gas pedal. And now, the conclusion, the 1971 Oldsmobile Toronado was a masterpiece of American engineering. It combined bold design, advanced technology, and sheer power in a package that was far ahead of its time. It proved that front-wheel drive cars could be powerful, luxurious, and stylish all at once. Today, the Toronado stands as a reminder of an era when carmakers weren't afraid to experiment, when design was daring, engines were massive, and comfort was king. It's a true classic that deserves far more recognition than it gets. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1971 Oldsmobile Toronado, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more classic car stories, and drop a comment below on what legendary car you want us to feature next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion for classics alive.